What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 2 of the summer body challenge. I'm really exhausted. I did some basketball earlier today and I've done full body. I'm doing this intro really late into my workout, but yeah, pretty much did the same thing, full body and trying to jump start. So then, the first week's always harder, but it's gonna get better, and I want to do some running too to burn some fat a lot faster since it is only 30 days. But yeah, I'm out of breath, so waist training. I'm gonna waist train, I think, the whole rest of this year. But for the ones that went to the waist training, if you guys want to do 8 hours, 6 days out of the week, that's like full-time waist training to really see results. But yeah, let's get started, or let's finish off where I left off.
Build momentum, swing. Yep. Yep. Don't let it touch. Come on. There we go, come on. Come on. Come on. Is that 11? 14. Alright, one more. Alright. How's that? Alright. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
You know what I keep hearing? The water inside my belly. Yes, literally.
Because you gotta drink water and let it digest a bit.
I tried to get 100, y'all. That shit was hard.
That's 50.
That's 50.
50 more. Take a break. Make sure you breathe. You wanna stand up?
Yeah, no, this shit's not this.
Alright.
Go. Last one.
Last 50.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
The waist trainer.
It's alright, you gotta keep breathing.
I blame the waist trainer.
You gotta breathe out your nose.
That was 30?
In through your mouth. Yeah, in through your nose, out your mouth. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41. Almost there, come on. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. There you go. It's not fake. It's real life hard work.
All right, guys. That is it for today. I'm so tired. I'm gonna sleep like a baby. Don't forget to check out my music on all platforms. I repeat, all platforms. I will put the links down below for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for day number 3.